Naija people don bring ogbonge bishop news story. My name na Neyi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say e just happen. The Kano State Governor wey be Abba Yusuf on Monday, August 7, 2023, don come swear in Justice DJ Aboki, wey go be the first female chief judge for inside Kano State, and alongside the government house wey dey for inside Kano State. Na im dey swear her in. Na the governor na im post this picture on top im Facebook page. The First Lady of Nigeria, Oluremi Tinubu, on Monday, August 7, 2023, don receive the Nigerian female basketball team wey be the Tigress for inside the State House wey dey for Abuja, after wey the Tigress dem beat the Senegal to win the 2023 FIBA Women Afro Basket Championship. Senate House don come turn to market as all of them come dey make noise after wey Senator Darlington Nwokocha and Senator Enyinaya Abaribe come move the motion to step down Festus Keyamo SAN during im ministerial screening, say because im neglect Senate House when they invite am to come stand before the National Assembly during President Muhammadu Buhari administration.
Order, please. Distinguished senators, sit down, please. I'll put the questions again.
But he don come out to come apologize, say give the Senate dem, say because make dem no vex as im no show face before the National Assembly, the 9th National Assembly.
Subsequently, there were so many hearings, budget defense and all that we attended on a very convivial atmosphere. So the apology is without reservation at all. I apologize.
The ogbonge Nigeria comedian wey be AY, im brother wife don come out come post this video as fire take burn AY house on Sunday, August 60, 2023, as she come dey yarn say AY brothers dem say they show love well as they come rush to make sure say they go quench the fire, come even dey try dey clean the house because AY wey be their senior brother no dey house when this gbege take happen. The leader of indigenous people of Biafra wey be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don come talk say no go forgive anybody or person wey be say that they order the sit down for house for inside the southeast state. As im come talk say any group or persons there wey be say that they try dey use the name of IPOB or Eastern Security Network, they go dey collect money without him not knowing. Say because na criminal thing na im be say that they do so, and him no go forgive those set of people dem. The Nigeria Electricity Regulatory Commission wey be NEC don come talk say federal government don pay 30 billion naira to use to subsidize the electricity use for inside Nigeria, and na the first 3 months of 2023 na im dey pay the money, and each month na 12 billion naira wey reach about that 30 billion naira. Federal government on Monday, August 7, 2023 don come withdraw their court case wey dey sue against the leaders of the Nigerian Labour Congress and also the Trade Union Congress because of the nationwide protest wey be say they do against the fuel subsidy wey federal government remove, and na August 2, 2023 na im dey be do the protest. The Federal Road Safety Corps oga wey be Marshal Dawuda Ali Biyu don come enter inside Maiduguri for 2 days working visit to checkmate how the FRSC dey take dey do for inside Maiduguri, as well as im come hold meeting with the National Union of Road Transport Workers dem wey be NRTW to partner with the FRSC wey be the road safety dem, so they go join body to work together. The Independent Corrupt Practice and another related offence commission, they don come dey torchlight the corrupt and abuse of office against the former Attorney General of Federation, also the Minister of Justice, wey be Abubakar Malami, say because he get plenty court order wey be say he no obey, during wey be say he sit down for seat. The former Senate President wey be Bukola Saraki don come dey celebrate im mama wey be Florence for her 88th birthday, as im come post this picture of how im mama take carry am wey be say im dey kpokiyo when e dey small that time on top Facebook, come dey wish im mama well for im 88th birthday. The All Progressive Congress wey be APC for inside Osun State don come dey fire bad mouth to dey quarrel the Osun State Governor wey be Ademola Adeleke, say because he appoint im nephew wey be Tunji Adeleke to be the chairman of the local government commission for inside Osun State. As the ogbonge artist wey be Davido come even post im brother picture, come dey wish am well for the appointment wey be say im just get. Plenty crowd don come gather take beat one Calabar policeman take faint say because him go push one man wey him name be Yusuf take enter for road wey make BRT bus take jam the man, and this gbege happen for inside K2 area of Lagos State. And na during when Calabar police wan try take arrest Mr. Yusuf motor, and they come dey do small gra wey make one of them come push Mr. Yusuf take put for front of BRT motor wey jam am. Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.